Hello! Welcome back, everyone, to the Linguasphere Academy Podcast. I'm Alex, and I have to be honest, I ate 3 pieces of cake yesterday. 3!
I'm Sam, right here with you. 3 pieces, Alex? What happened?
It was my neighbor's birthday. She brought over this amazing chocolate cake, and I said, I'll just have 1 small piece. Then we started talking, and I had another. Then she left the cake here, and at 10 p.m., I had another.
I've been there. Cake has a way of calling your name, doesn't it? Alex, Alex, come eat me.
Exactly. And this morning, I woke up feeling not great. You know that feeling? Too much sugar, too late at night. My body was like, what did you do to me?
Oh, I know that feeling well. And it got me thinking, this is actually a perfect way to start our topic today.
What's our topic?
A healthy life. And before anyone sighs and thinks, oh great, another episode telling me to eat vegetables and exercise, it's not that. Well, it's partly that, but it's more about what health actually means and how to think about it in a way that's realistic and doable.
Because let's be real. Telling someone be healthy is like telling someone learn English. It's huge. It's overwhelming. Where do you even start?
Exactly. So today we're going to break it down. We'll talk about food, movement, sleep, mindset, all the pieces. But we'll keep it simple. No guilt, no shame. Just real talk about how to feel better in your body.
And we'll connect it to language learning too, because everything connects. When your body feels good, your brain works better. When you're healthy, you have more energy to study, to practice, to show up.
As always, we'll speak clearly and keep it friendly. Lots of laughter, lots of honesty. Because we're not perfect. I ate ice cream for breakfast once.
Once? Sam, you're not fooling anyone.
Okay, more than once. But we're trying. That's the point.
So get comfortable. Let's start with a question. Sam, what does a healthy life mean to you?
That's a great question. For me, it's not about having a perfect body or never eating sugar. It's about feeling good, having energy, sleeping well, not getting sick all the time, being able to do the things I enjoy.
I like that. It's about function, not appearance. It's about how you feel, not how you look.
Exactly, because you can look a certain way and feel terrible, and you can look average and feel amazing. Health is about the inside.
So let's talk about the different parts of a healthy life. There's no one thing. It's a bunch of things working together.
First, let's talk about food, because this is where people get really stressed.
Yes, eat this, not that. Don't eat carbs. Carbs are fine. Eat fat, but not that fat. It's so confusing.
It is, so let's simplify. The basic idea is eat more real food, less fake food.
Real food is things that come from nature. Vegetables, fruits, meat, fish, eggs, beans, rice, potatoes, things your great-grandmother would recognize as food.
Fake food is things in packages with long ingredient lists, things with names you can't pronounce, things that are bright colors and last forever on a shelf.
You don't have to be perfect. I ate 3 pieces of cake yesterday. That's fine. The question is, what do you do most of the time?
Right. If most of your food is real, your body will feel good. If most of your food is fake, your body will feel bad. It's simple.
Another simple rule, eat the rainbow. Different colors of fruits and vegetables have different nutrients, so try to have a variety.
I told my nephew to eat the rainbow, and he said, I want Skittles. That's not what I meant.
Yes, not Skittles. Real colors. Red tomatoes, orange carrots, green spinach, purple grapes.
Now, let's talk about water. This is so simple, but so important.
So many people walk around dehydrated and don't even know it. They feel tired, get headaches, low energy, and it's just water.
How much water? The old rule was 8 glasses a day, but really it depends on your body. A simple way, drink when you're thirsty, and if your pee is dark, drink more.
That's the most honest health advice ever. Check your pee.
It's true. Light yellow means you're hydrated. Dark means drink up.
Now let's talk about movement, exercise, working out, whatever you want to call it.
Another thing people stress about. I need to go to the gym for an hour every day. No, you don't.
The best exercise is the one you'll actually do. If you hate the gym, don't go to the gym. Walk, dance in your kitchen, play with your kids, stretch while watching TV.
Exactly. Find what works for you.
Another tip, sit less. Our bodies aren't made to sit all day. If you have a desk job, stand up every hour. Walk for 2 minutes. Your back will thank you.
Now let's talk about sleep. This is maybe the most important thing.
You can eat perfectly and exercise every day, but if you don't sleep, you'll feel terrible.
Sleep is when your body repairs itself. Your brain cleans itself, your memories organize themselves.
Most adults need 7 to 9 hours. Some need more, some need less. But if you're tired during the day, you probably need more.
Tips for better sleep? Same time every night. No phone in bed. Dark room, cool room, quiet.
No phone in bed. I'm guilty of this. I say I'll just check one thing, and suddenly it's an hour later.
Same. The phone is the enemy of sleep. The blue light tricks your brain into thinking it's daytime.
So put it in another room, or at least across the room so you have to get up to turn it off.
Now let's talk about mindset, because health isn't just physical.
Stress affects everything. Your digestion, your sleep, your energy, your mood. You can't be healthy if you're stressed all the time.
So what helps with stress? Different things for different people. Talking to a friend, going for a walk, reading, deep breaths, praying, journaling.
The key is to notice when you're stressed and do something about it. Don't just push through.
Another part of mindset is self-talk. How do you talk to yourself?
If you're always saying, I'm so lazy, I'm so fat, I'll never be healthy, you're not helping yourself. You're making it worse.
Try kinder words. I'm learning, I'm trying, I'm doing my best. Today was hard, but tomorrow is new.
Would you talk to a friend the way you talk to yourself? Probably not. So try to be as kind to yourself as you are to others.
Now let's talk about rest, not just sleep, real rest.
Rest is when you do nothing, guilt-free nothing. No phone, no TV, no thinking about your to-do list, just being.
This is hard for a lot of people. We feel like we have to be productive every moment, but rest is productive. It recharges you.
Schedule rest if you have to. Sunday afternoon, no plans, just rest.
Now let's connect this to language learning, because everything connects.
When your body feels good, your brain works better. You remember more. You focus longer. You have more energy to practice.
When you're tired and stressed, studying feels impossible. You stare at the page and nothing goes in.
So taking care of your body is taking care of your learning. It's not separate.
If you want to learn English better, sleep more, drink water, move your body, eat real food.
It sounds simple, but it's true.
Now let's talk about small steps, because changing everything at once is too hard.
Pick one thing, just one. Maybe drink one more glass of water each day. That's it.
Maybe walk for 5 minutes after dinner, just 5.
Maybe go to bed 15 minutes earlier, just 15.
Small changes add up, and they're sustainable. You can keep doing them.
Don't try to change your whole life in 1 week. It won't work. You'll get tired and quit.
I tried that. New Year's resolution, I'm going to exercise every day and eat perfectly. I lasted 4 days.
4 days is actually pretty good, but then you felt like a failure and gave up completely.
Exactly. Small steps are better.
Now, let's bring back Maya. What's Maya's health journey?
Maya has been so focused on learning English that she forgot about her body. She's tired all the time. She can't concentrate. She's getting sick often.
She realizes something needs to change, but she doesn't know where to start.
She decides to pick one thing, just one. She'll drink the glass of water every morning when she wakes up.
That's easy. She can do that. She puts a glass on her bedside table.
After a week, she feels a little better. Not much, but a little. So she adds another thing, a 5-minute walk after dinner.
Just 5 minutes, around the block. Fresh air.
After a month, she's drinking water and walking every day. She has more energy, she's sleeping better.
She didn't change everything. She changed 2 small things, and it made a difference.
Now she has more energy for English. She can focus better. She's not falling asleep over her books.
That's the connection. Health and learning go together.
Now let's talk about guilt, because we all feel it when we eat the cake or skip the walk.
Guilt is useless. It doesn't help. It just makes you feel bad.
So when you have a bad day, just let it go. Tomorrow is new. You don't have to be perfect.
One piece of cake doesn't make you unhealthy. One missed walk doesn't ruin your fitness. It's what you do most of the time that matters.
So be kind to yourself. You're human. Humans eat cake sometimes.
Yes, we do. And we enjoy it. And that's okay.
Now let's talk about listening to your body. This is a skill.
Your body tells you what it needs. You just have to listen.
Tired? Maybe you need sleep, not more coffee. Hungry? Maybe you need real food, not just anything.
Achy? Maybe you need to move, or maybe you need to rest.
It takes practice to hear these signals. We're so used to ignoring them.
So try checking in with yourself a few times a day. How do I feel? What do I need?
It sounds simple, but it's powerful.
Now let's talk about community. Having people who support your health helps.
A friend to walk with, a family member who cooks healthy food with you, someone to remind you to drink water.
But also people who won't judge you when you eat the cake. People who accept you either way.
That's important. Health shouldn't be about judgment. It should be about feeling good in your body.
So find your people, or be that person for yourself.
Now let's talk about progress, not perfection. This is our theme for everything.
You won't be healthy overnight. It's a journey. Some days are good, some days are hard.
The goal is to be a little better than you were last month. Not perfect, just a little better.
If you drank more water this month than last month, that's a win. If you moved more, that's a win.
Celebrate those wins. They matter. So here's your challenge for this week.
Pick one small thing, just one.
Maybe it's drinking a glass of water every morning. Maybe it's a 5-minute walk after dinner. Maybe it's going to bed 15 minutes earlier.
Just one. Do it every day this week.
At the end of the week, notice how you feel. Do you have more energy? Do you feel better?
Then share with us in the comments. Tell us what you chose and how it went.
We read every comment. We celebrate your wins with you.
Remember, a healthy life isn't about being perfect. It's about feeling good in your body, having energy for the things you love.
Like learning English, like spending time with people you care about, like eating cake without guilt.
Yes, exactly. Cake in moderation. Cake with joy.
Thank you for spending this time with us. We hope you feel encouraged, not overwhelmed.
We'll be back next week with another topic to help you on your journey.
Until then, drink some water, go for a walk, be kind to yourself.
And hey, before you go, if this episode made you think, if it made you laugh, please hit that subscribe button. It's free, and it means we can keep making these conversations.
Yes, please. And leave us a comment. Tell us, what's one small thing you'll do this week for your health? We want to hear it.
We read every comment. Your ideas help other listeners too.
Subscribe, comment, share. It helps more people find the encouragement to live healthier lives.
Thanks again, everyone. Now, go drink some water.
Bye!